What do you think is really happening here? Let's talk about just the fundamentals, and to the extent they're fundamentals, but just even the way you think this market is moving. Where are the fault lines at this point?
Yeah, listen, we are not going to get a soft landing. When inflation gets as high as it gets, you need to put the economy in a recession to stop inflation. You've got inflation expectations that have come a bit unhinged. I was saying recently, until I can look my employees in the eye and saying, you're lucky to have a job, instead of saying, would you like salted popcorn or buttered popcorn on the 3 days you guys come into work? Right. The leverage has all been with the employees as of the last few years, everywhere, not just in the high end jobs like Wall Street and the crypto business, but all the way through the spectrum. Until that shifts, until we see layoffs, until we see not 11 million people looking for jobs, you're not going to see inflation come down. And so we're going to go through a painful stagflation process. We're in it. What you're seeing now is big liquidation. Who knows how, markets always are ahead of the economy. And so you look at like the ARK fund, or you look at some of the big hedge funds that are down. That often leads to liquidation. The market senses blood and goes for those positions. And so bear markets are hard to trade. You're going to see vicious bear market rallies, but the NASDAQ sell-off isn't over. As long as the NASDAQ and other risk assets are selling off, crypto won't trade spectacularly well. The bright note for crypto is that I've just been on a 3-week conference trip where you're speaking at conferences and meeting people. It's amazing how much institutional capital is starting to line up to come into the place. BlackRock, Blackstone, Citadel, Apollo, all building major crypto efforts. And so it's completely intuitive to me that there's a backstop somewhere in crypto. I said early in the year I thought Bitcoin would be 30,000, 50,000. Lots of macro headwinds and lots of adoption. I think that's still the range. We're edging towards the lower end of the range. And I think that's just the setup. It's unfortunately a painful one for most investors, right? When there's inflation, nobody makes money.
Let's just 30,000 feet. Put your macro trader hat on again for a second, though, which is to say, and I'm sure you're getting calls like this even in the last 24 hours. What do I do? What's happening here? If you're an investor who, let's say, cares about where the market may be, call it 2 or 3 years from now, but not necessarily in the next 12 months. Let's say 12 months, you don't need the cash, but you may need the cash in 3 years from now, 4 years from now. Do you look at this and say, this is going to be one of the great buying opportunities of all time? Or do you say, hold on to that cash because the buying opportunity hasn't even shown itself yet?
I think you got to I think you got to scale in, because I think we're in the middle of creating that buying opportunity, and you've got to pick your asset class. Like crypto has been very correlated to the NASDAQ. That correlation will over time break down. You've already seen the beta of it break down, i.e. NASDAQ falls 3%, crypto doesn't fall 9% like it would have last year, right? So the beta's gotten closer to 1 than it was 3. But I do think there's more pain to come, right? Like, so I look at the NASDAQ, I think we could be at, within the next few weeks, we could be at 12,000, then it'll bounce. But maybe the final destination is something like 10,500. And what's different than 08, different than 01, different than the COVID crises is the cavalry isn't here, right? There is no giant injection of liquidity to create the V. We're going to go down and then we're going to grind until there's a new story that shows up and then take back off again. And so it's not going to be nearly as pleasant to plunge in and buy the low, right? If you did that after COVID, you look like a hero 8 weeks later. There's not a lot of hero trades out there.